Begin by buttering up a bread loaf pan. Then dust the pan with all-purpose flour. Make sure you remove any excess flour. In a mixing bowl, add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk to combine. Once thoroughly combined, set it aside. In a small mixing bowl, zest 1 full orange. Reserve 1 teaspoon of the orange zest. We need 1/4 cup of fresh orange juice. Combine the orange juice and the zest. There is some pulp in the orange juice, I'm just going to keep it for extra flavor. Add 1/4 cup of whole milk and combine, and once evenly incorporated, set it aside. Now in a large mixing bowl, add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, followed by 6 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter. Cream butter and sugar for about 3 minutes at medium speed. Oh, and one more thing, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Then add 2 large eggs and mix until well incorporated. Visit kelvinskitchen.com for the full recipe. Then add the flour mixture and the milk mixture and mix just until combined. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. We are using 1½ cups of cranberries which have been cleaned and rinsed under cold water. Coat the cranberries with half a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This will prevent the cranberries from sinking to the bottom of the pan. Add the cranberries to the batter and using a spatula fold just until combined. Then transfer the batter to the prepared pan. Spread it out and smooth out the top just like so. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until golden brown and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And if everything goes according to plan, your cranberry bread with orange glaze will look like this. Let it rest in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring out of the pan. Use an offset spatula or a knife to go around the edges to loosen it up. Then transfer to a wire rack and let it cool off completely. And while it's cooling off, let's make the glaze. For the glaze, we need a couple of tablespoons of orange juice. In a small mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of powdered sugar, the 1 teaspoon of orange zest that we reserved from earlier, and about 2 tablespoons of orange juice. And that is it. 3 ingredients to make the glaze, mix to combine. If the glaze is too thick, add more orange juice. If it's too light, then add more powdered sugar. Easy peasy. Once the cake has cooled off, pour the glaze all over the cake. And there you have it, cranberry bread with orange glaze. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching! See you later! Bye!
Yeah.